I am Walid Alexander. I'm from Kensington. Today I will be making pot roast pulled pork, and I'll be using the shoulder part. And with the side dishes will be wraps, pitas, sour cream, and salads. Firstly, I'm going to make the stock, and I'll be using carrots, garlic, onion, rosé, bay leaves, cloves, and meaty bones. I'm going to use a pork shoulder, and I'm going to season it with paprika, coriander seeds, fennel seed, salt and pepper, of course, oil, soy sauce, and Worcester sauce. For the sauce, I'll be using sugar, pepper, paprika, mustard powder, cumin powder, salt, vinegar, soy sauce, and tomato sauce, and chopped chili. My relationship with cooking started with my aunt and mom, and at a young age they used to cook, and they used to cook for weddings and parties and funerals, and there is where I started falling in love with making food, helping them and preparing the dishes. My early food memory is when we were young. I was young. School holidays was never school holidays for us as a family and cousins. In the first week of all the school holidays, we each would have a table in the kitchen, and we used to make rotis for the first week, and that is where my mom and aunt used to sell it to provide for us. My mom and aunt was the cooks in the kitchen. Always gatherings with Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, etc. All the big gatherings they would cook, and we as children and cousins always used to help them preparing. And after a while, when we got older, all of us used to just make a dish and present it, and that's how food became a festive feast in our homes. What makes this meal so unique is I do my own stock, I do my own rub, and I do it with a juicy, tangy sauce. What I enjoy cooking with pork is it's quick, it's easy, you can mix a lot of spices and your own flavor to it, and you can create your own fabulous dish just how you want to present it. The tricks that I got to know to work with pork is not to poke the meat while cooking it, and on a slow heat. Pork wants slow heat always, and the unique spices and the things that you mix together, whether it is spices and sauces or just garlic and ginger or just the normal herbs that you use to make your dish phenomenal. What makes cooking so a pleasure is because I love doing it, first of all, and for me doing it, whether it's work or just normal cooking, I love it. So it's not basically sometimes a job, but it's things that I love doing. I can spend a whole day in the kitchen and just cooking up a storm, whether it's with family or friends, and just to have a gathering and a good time in the kitchen. The feeling that I love to see is when people enjoy my food, and when people just want more. It makes me glad, it makes me happy to see that what I cook and what I present to people, they love, and to have more. A home cook hero means to me someone that gives to the community, that cooks for the community, that do whatever she can to help where help is needed. And with that goes with my auntie and my mom. They were that kind of people that help the community, like to give, like to share their talent, like to give where give was needed in the community. So that to me makes them a home cook hero to me. I feel honored to be walking into the big shoes of my auntie and my mom, because for me they are my home cook heroes, and for me doing what I do today because of them, I feel honored and walking into their shoes. I want to continue bringing friends and family together around the table with lots of food, and doing my small business. I want to grow it into a phenomenal small little home cooked restaurant, and seeing the smiles on all the people's faces, eating my delicious food makes my heart melt. I just received this beautiful pork hamper from SA Pork. And I'm gonna open it and see what's in here. It's mince, loin chops, deboned pork neck, wow! And rashes for braai. Thank you, SA Pork. I cannot wait to put it on the braai.